If your Telegram call gets stuck on your iPhone and never connects, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Solution 2. Reset the peer-to-peer setting. Open up the Telegram app. Then go to Settings. Then go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down. Tap Calls. Tap Peer-to-peer. Change it from My Contacts to Never. Solution 3. Turn off Low Data Mode. Open up the Telegram app. Then go to Settings. Now tap Data and Storage. Use less data for calls. Set to toggle off. Solution 4. Clear Telegram's network cache. Open up the Telegram app. Then go to Settings. Scroll down and go to Data and Storage. Then tap Storage Usage. Tap Clear Entire Cache. This will not delete your chats, only temporary files. I think it's gonna work. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.